guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me video, and in today's Adopt Me video we are going to make a neon cat. I got 4 full-grown pets. I mean cats, okay? And as you can see, I got $6,000, and after this video I'm going to make an apartment. So if you don't know if the place of making neons, so just follow me. I'm gonna navigate you to the neon. So 20 bahts. Okay, so go here on the main map, and then we just go here, and then sorry for that, guys. And then we go here on the bottom of the bridge, and then go up here, and then here it is, the place. Make neons. Okay, let's cube or cat. No, yeah, cat first. Sorry, name of Maxi. Yeah, I'm just making the name. Yeah, and then we put here and one more, and this is going to make neon. Oh my! No way! Huh? It's a neon! It's Steven! Okay. So now we got the neon cat. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like all my videos.